You've purchased pipeline access from brokers, and now you need to process folders full of spreadsheets with thousands of rows. This is Vera, an AI add-in that lives in your sidebar. First, you upload your underwriting guidelines. Vera reads the PDF and codifies your appetite. Then, Vera analyzes your pipeline documents against your criteria. Out of 8,400 risks, 1,038 are in appetite and 412 are partial matches. The rest are out. You never need to see them again. And Vera has already updated the spreadsheet. It's colored in cells to match appetite, it's added a status column, and a reason for its analysis. Now, appetite is not the same as strategy, and each underwriter may attack risks in a different way. So you can ask Vera to keep working on your Excel. You can ask it to filter out companies that have had a ransomware attack, for example. Vera learns from your past analysis to offer you relevant filters in the future. That also updates the spreadsheet. Once you've defined the risk you'd like to attack, you can add it to your pipeline. A reminder has been set for Pied Piper 3 months prior to renewal. A next action email can be drafted in your Outlook, and it's been identified as a cross-sell opportunity since Pied Piper is already your client. Vera can help you draft emails to relevant team members, notify brokers of your interest, and remind you when you need to act on every risk. It helps managers get a bird's eye view, analytics, and insights of what each underwriter is pipelining. That's Vera AI pipelining. Upload your appetite, screen every pipeline, track every opportunity, all from a sidebar inside Excel.